Alright, so here is a quick tip about Emacs if you use it. So if you ever try to open a large file in Emacs, you'll get a warning, right? So how to mitigate that and how to use a proper variable to surpass that limit. Let me show you that. Let me go to my Emacs client, which is running on terminal as usual. This is the stuff. Say for instance, I have an arbitrary file in my system which is way larger than the limit sets in Emacs by default. So downloads. So you can see from the bottom pane that or search, you see my first, the cursor is highlighted on the first file, which is 170 MB. Okay, so if I try to open this file, just pressing enter, look at the bottom of the screen at the echo area. It says the file is too large. It is 170 MB. You want to really open? Yes, no, literally, and everything, right? So this is the warning you get when you cross the threshold which is set by default in Emacs, which is roughly 10 MB. So I'm discarding this. So if I want, there is a variable set inside Emacs. Okay, so you can change that the limit of that particular variable, so you won't get the warning. So like this, Control HV and large file. See, a large file warning threshold. The warning you get, which is coming out of this variable threshold, it is roughly 10 MB. This is the default size. Okay, if you really want to open the file which is more than 10 MB inside Emacs, you need to change the value of this particular variable. Okay, so change it to something you think probable or you'd be doing frequently. Okay, so this is the variable large file warning threshold. So you need to set the value of it. By default it is 10 MB. You could change it to whatever you like, so you won't get the warning what I show you while opening the large file. Okay, so there is a pros and cons about it too. Opening a large file in any text editor has a overhead. So to bypass some of it, the editor provide the facility to go beyond it. So this is one of them. There are other issues which I'm not going to deal with this stuff, but I'll show you what you could do for the time being to bypass the limit posed by the editor by default. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.